If you're sending your traffic to a page like this, then you're actively destroying your business. I mean, look at this page. We have a fake countdown timer here. We have bold flashing red text in here that promises thousands of dollars overnight. Well, I actually generated this image using AI so that I can explain better. But these kind of opt-in pages exist. Some of you may have already seen it. But yeah, even if it was cleaner, but you have a fake timer in there and an absurd claim like, he made about $5,000 in just one night, and you promise them the same thing, that would be an outrageous claim, right? And when you are going to exit the page, then there is pop-ups coming up begging them to enter their email address, begging them not to leave. And so the most beginners, right, most beginners are taught to create a page like this, build funnels like this, because they are taught that urgency sells. It's true that urgency sells, but there is a time and a place to use the urgency. When you send these people to these types of pages, you lose the trust instantly. They are going to leave this page without even reading the headline. So what actually works? Let me show you that. So this is a sales page, actually an opt-in page, a funnel page that actually works really well. Let me zoom in a little. This is a completely boring, completely dead simple 2-page layout funnel, right? So this is the first page and then there is a second page. These both make a 2-page funnel. That's all you need for your automated affiliate business. This is a funnel that I am actually using right now. If you check the link in the description, you will land on this page. Now notice what is missing here, right? There is no timer, there is no fake promises here, there is no flashy buttons in here, and there are no ridiculous income claims in here. Yes, you see about $4,773 in just 10 days, but here we are not claiming anything. We are not claiming that you are going to make this much. It entirely depends upon your audience, your traffic generation capability. This only promises one thing. You will learn the secret backwards funnel. So that's the main secret that you are going to learn, which generated me, right? Which generated me about 4,770 in just 10 days. So this is talking about me here and not you, right? But you can replicate this strategy for yourself with your skill set of traffic generation and funnel creation. If you're able to generate only 100 clicks, then you will be able to make some sales according to the quality of the funnel, the backend, everything. But yeah, this is a very simple, clean headline that promises to solve a specific problem, that is making money using a secret backwards funnel without sales calls, DMs, or a big audience, right? This targets 3 pain points and I'm solving that problem, right? People think that they need to go on calls with them or they don't need to go on DMs with them, like do the DMs, send messages to and fro multiple times in order to make a high ticket commissions, or if they need a big audience to actually make some money. So I am negating all these pain points and say they don't need this and they can still be able to make money with this backwards funnel, which is what you are seeing here. This is an image here. This is not a video. This is an image here. I will actually show you the opt-in page in here. This is the opt-in page that I'm using right now. Look how clean and how professional it is. Actually, if this was just this much, right? If this funnel was just this much, that would suffice as well. But this won't run on Facebook or Google Ads, but this is good for normal organic social traffic, right? But if you are going to run ads and such, then you need to actually go ahead and add some more information, and this actually complements it. So my social media traffic will convert well with this, right? I will go back here. You can see he has this weird thing with a banana in his hand, right? That invokes curiosity as well. That's the job of the opt-in page as well. We need people to click here, enter their email address, right? So that they go into the next step and we collect their email address as a lead. Then we follow up and close the sales. That's the thing that we want to do, right? So this is that. A very good headline, clean, simple, professional. And here an image that invokes curiosity. We promise that they will get this video, right? And then also a little bit info about what they are going to exactly get in this video here. So they click here, they enter their email address and they go to the second page. We can call it the thank you page or the bridge page, and you can see they get this training here, the 13-minute video, right? I went through this video myself and I got a lot of value. So if you're new to affiliate marketing or struggling, then I highly recommend you go go to this page, click the link description, go to this page, enter your email address, and you will be redirected to this page in here and watch the training. When you strip away all the garbage, all the flashy things, these cache backgrounds and such, and keep it simple, the viewer is forced to focus entirely on your message, what exactly you are giving them, right? And this looks professional, it is honest, and it respects viewers' intelligence, right? And this type of page easily hits 40 to 60% opt-in rate because it lowers the natural defenses of your viewers. So again, as I said, when people go to this opt-in page, they enter their email address, they go to the training. So we do not need to yell at people in order to make sales, in order to make affiliate sales here. We do not need to manipulate them. You just need to present a logical solution to a painful problem and let the people make their own decisions. So when you build assets like that, the system works for you and not against you, right? It works for you automatically 24/7. Your only job is to drive traffic. And of course, right? Of course, you actually need to take care of the backend as well. As I said, the traffic sends to your nice little clean opt-in page that promises something, and then you deliver something on your bridge page, thank you page, whatever that you want to call. So you give them the solution or the way to achieve the solution. You introduce the offer, the micro offer, right? The small low ticket offer where you do not need to convince a whole lot your viewers. A low ticket, a $3, $5, a $7 offer don't need really much convincing. If they watch the training, if they like it, they are going to buy it. You just need to be honest about it. You don't need to hide the fact that you're going to sell them something. Right? They already know, they are opting in. They already know that after the training or after the PDF, after the lead magnet, they're already going to get a pitch of anything, right? Or get a pitch of a software course and anything, right? But if you don't force them, if you don't hide the fact that you're going to sell them something, the trust actually increase. You're giving them valuable info, and then you are giving them probably a shortcut to solve their pain. They are going to buy from you. That's how sales works. If you're solving something for them, they will happily buy. Right? They will be all smiles when they're buying from you. Now, there is a whole other aspect as well. So when they enter their email address, they go to the email list, right? They go to their email list, and here you will have to make follow up emails in order to convert more people, because not everyone will buy this offer right away, because the reason could be anything. They might be on a bus, they might be traveling, they might be on their toilet seat, right? Or they're simply not interested in the offer right now. So you need to do these follow-up emails multiple days, for 7 to 14 days, depending upon the price point of the offer. If you're promoting a $3 offer, then a 5 to 7 day email sequence about that offer will suffice, because if a person is not purchasing a $3 offer after 5 to 7 days, then he's not probably going to convert, right? But whereas if you're promoting something for $47, then you should follow up for them for 14 days minimum to 21 days or something. So anyway, that's quite a mess I made in here. So anyway, what my message is to stop trying to trick people to buy something, build clean, honest digital assets, and let the logic, right? Let the logic do the selling for you. So yeah, if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, check the link in the description. Go through that video, you will learn something. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video.